what I hate? I hate it when I'm sorry, there's always not call them girls. Women, they confuse men. You will say, hey, auntie, what do you want to eat? She will say, nothing. And you will now go and buy your food, and you will come back. And they'll say, why didn't you bring me food? Are you mad? Did you not just tell me you don't want to eat? And you can't even say, hello, auntie. But you will not be so innocent. But I just asked you now that do you want to, oh no, baby, you should know how to read my feelings. Which feelings is that? When I asked you that, hello, auntie, what do you want to eat? Now my feeling, they follow you talk. Say, sis, what do you want to eat? Are you hungry? You want to eat something? I'm going to McDonald's. Do you want me to bring you something? I'm going to Fiesta. Do you want me to buy something for you? No. I'm good, honey. Just do you, boo-boo. I mean, I'll go and do me. I'll go and do me. Because you told me to do me. Hello? Are you listening? I'll go and do me. Then I will now come back with all the things I did for me. You will not tell me that you are selfish. Hello? I asked you before I went. No, seriously, let's be serious. How is that selfish? If I ask you before I go and you said no, and now come back and you say I'm selfish, what's going on 2020? Communicate now. Do you want something? Yes. What do you want? Peanut butter sandwich. Okay, I got you. I'll come back with 10 peanut butter sandwich. Bam, all for you. Hello? Are we good? We are good. I'll now go come back and now be telling me that. What type of nonsense is that one? No, seriously, that is annoying. Tell me what you want and I'll bring it. How about that? Hello? That's all.